Hello, and welcome to this project about NUI-based stress relief activity. The motivation for this project was based on personal experience and resulted in this initial problem statement. Is it possible to design and implement a natural user interface-based stress relieving activity? This formulation led to an investigation of this particular problem. Stress is defined as the state within the individual. Diseases caused by stress can be considered very bad for you. Stress symptoms can be found in 4 areas: physical, mental, behavioral and thoughts. To indicate long-term stress, a questionnaire from the Danske Forskningscenter was used. In this project was it necessary to find a non-information communication technology-based activity. Exercise was chosen as the activity. The research showed that NUI was best and most easily utilized with the Microsoft Kinect. This investigation resulted in this final problem statement. Is it possible to design and develop a NUI-based stress relieving activity based on the method of exercise using a Kinect which relieves stress significantly better compared to not using any method at all? To develop a prototype for answering this problem was it necessary to analyze the areas of processing, NUI, exercise, OpenNI and Kinect to establish requirements for the prototype. These requirements was used to develop the blueprints and design for the prototype. This was the initial idea. For the prototype development was it important to implement the Kinect as a tool, OpenNI as the interactive library, a reset function, and interaction between the user and the virtual objects. To answer the final problem statement was there conducted an experiment using the prototype as a tool. The data collected from the experiment was analyzed in order to reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. It was not possible to reject the null hypothesis, which means that there was no significant difference using the prototype. This led to a discussion about what could have gone wrong. The first to discuss is the validation of the measurement. It is not tested, and a better validation measurement would have been more appropriate, such as circumplex model of emotions or Stanford acute stress reaction questionnaire. The amount of participants in the experiment was possibly too small to give an indication of significant difference. A higher amount of participants would have given a more precise result. The performance of the participants could have been influenced by the unnatural environment. This is known as the Hawthorne effect. A more appropriate activity could have been used. Exercise was at this moment the best choice, but further investigation can be necessary. This was all I had for now. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching.